Oh my gosh, you girls are too funny. Whoa. Okay, go. Press the button. Press the button, sissy. Press the button. Wow. You don't want to go anymore?
Hey, you know, maybe that can be your superpower. You're so good at helping.
Oh, yeah?
We will call you
Press the button.
the incredibly...
Oh, you're going down?
Mama.
Okay, let's go find the other superhero.
So cute. Okay, Zaylee, you gonna go? You gonna press the button? Press the button.
I have returned with Super Blue and our newest super.
Press the button.
The incredibly helpful friend.
Are you really that distracted, honey? Come on. Are you all done?
The thinking squad.
Are you all done?
Solve problems by using our thinking powers.
Sissy! Sissy!
I wonder what could be making that strange sound.
Such a cutie pie. Alright, fine. If you're done, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ellie, you gonna say bye to the camera?
What's that?
Bye.
It's
Bye. Hey, don't push your sister.
good questions. So, and the answer
No, sister had it first. You can take your turns. When sister's done, you can play with it, okay?